Hey everyone! Today we're creating a dynamic vector stream logo. The design features a half circle with arrows moving upward, giving a sense of energy and direction. Let's jump right in.